Did you know that the humble dandelion, often seen as a pesky weed, is actually a powerhouse of health benefits? Packed with vitamins A, C, K, and antioxidants, this plant is a secret weapon for glowing skin. Dandelion sap can soothe skin irritations and reduce inflammation, making it an ideal remedy for acne and eczema. Internally, dandelion acts as a diuretic, promoting liver health and aiding digestion. Its bitterness encourages better bile production, crucial for fat digestion. Moreover, dandelion supports blood sugar regulation, which can help prevent diabetes. Embrace this natural wonder and unlock its remarkable potential for health and beauty.